All right, another exciting week in the mortgage industry. I hope you're doing great. Happy Labor Day weekend. So rates shot up above 6% this week. And basically, on the last day of August, rates were worse that day than any other day in August or July. So, way to end the month on a high note, hardy har har. Now, a lot of this is due to a lot of strong labor reports we're seeing. Today, we had the BLS jobs report and we had the household survey come in, and I have this slide from MBS Highway to kind of show you what that looked like. But pretty strong jobs reports. One thing that was fascinating, they pointed out, is 442,000 jobs were created, but 80% of those were jobs for 16 to 19-year-olds. So basically, parents are kicking their kids out of their house, kids want to leave their house, or summer's over. And then this week, too, AmeriSave, who was really kicking butt earlier this year, really strong pricing as a third-party wholesale lender, left a wholesale altogether. So they are no longer working with the mortgage brokers. And then Homepoint Financial, who I believe is one of the best lenders ever, and I believe they're like the third largest wholesale lender, they're laying off half their staff. So the bloodbath continues in the mortgage industry. It's true. All right, now let's talk about rates. We'll pull the slide up, and you can see our base, or actually the national average, is 6.02, according to our friends at Mortgage News Daily, down from 6.23% yesterday. That's how crazy rates have been going up and down. That's quite a big variation there over 24 hours, especially. Now, when I run our base price, and I have to say I actually found better pricing. I think we had an improvement after this, actually, but we'll just go with this. 4.99 was our base price. And remember, this is not apples to apples. This is a rate term refi, 65% loan to value, 640 loan amount, 740 FICO score. Just to kind of show you where like our pricing starts, if you will. And then, if you put 20% down versus, 35, it's a little bit higher, but it doesn't go up like 1%, right? So wholesale rates and fresh home loan rates are drastically lower, it looks like, than usual, which we're usually better anyways. Scan that QR code if you want a rate quote. I'm Garrick Wordmuller, President, CEO, Fresh Home Loan Inc. I'm here to help you. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my stuff. And we will talk soon. Peace. Happy Labor Day.
Yeah, Fresh Home Loan Inc. You want mortgage rates without breaking your bank? Well, I got what you need. I'll keep it 100. The very best lender. We sell money, yeah. There's really no equal. Independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. I know that the pandemic's brought many problems. What we offer is better rates.